This meeting is being recorded.
It's now 10:33. We'll wait for 2 minutes and then we'll start.
Yes.
Okay.
And 11:30 we have to finish, right, sir?
12 Nepali time, so it's 11:45, I think.
Okay. 11:30. Yeah.
So we've got time zone difference, so 15 minutes.
That is fine.
So I'll put my microphone, headphone also. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And my voice also fine, right, sir?
Yeah, your voice is clear. No.
So because I won't prefer to wear this.
it's little bit means like complicated. Okay, so we are at 10:35. So let us start. The people will start joining, means like slowly and slowly. It's like that. So, so let us start. So I'll be using Hindi, English, Nepali, everything composed. Yes. So I would like to welcome Manish Kashteji, and then Nikhil Pradhan, and then Pankajji, Vasudevji, and then Bipin Yadavji. So as the time is there, so we'll just start up. So today we will be showing you the demo on advanced digital marketing. So before we start up, let us share a little bit about our company and what we do, and then we'll start up. It won't take much time. Just a moment. This demo session is organized by Nikhil Multi-Service Private Limited. We are located in Macchapokhari, Balaju, Kathmandu. We have been in operation from last 14 years in different sectors, especially training. We are offering digital marketing training and services. We are affiliated with CTVT and our accredited skill test center of NSTB, which is a certifying body of government of Nepal to impart certificates regarding skill trainings. So I don't want to go in details of everything and take and bore you. So I'll just go means if you want to know details about the institute, you can visit us at our website, which is digitalmarketingcourseInNepal.com, and then we have got nmspl.org.np, which is our company website. Okay, about today's session. So for today's session, our session duration will be 1 hour and 30 minutes. Nepali time it is 10:30 to 12 o'clock. As discussed earlier, we'll be showing you means like a demo on advanced digital marketing course that we are going to start soon. We'll take questions and answer them at the end, if possible, or if the trainer or the presenter prefers, then he can take the question in between and answer them, or else means at the end we'll collect everything and answer them. It can be regarding anything. The question can be regarding the courses. If you have any query for digital marketing, then you can ask any question. and then regarding the courses and all other things. So please feel free to send your questions through chat during the session, or at the end you can always unmute your mic and then put your questions through. As in all online workshop classes, please mute your mic so that we don't have any disturbance during the meeting, the noise disturbance. Okay, regarding me, let me take some time to introduce about myself, our partners, and today's trainer. I'm Narayan Pradhan. I'm the CEO at Nikhil Multi-Service Private Limited. I've done B Mechanical from NIT Silchar in 1992. I have around 27 years of working experience, 11 years in different companies in Nepal and abroad, and 16 years from last 16 years, I am operating this company only, my own company, so to say, which is very challenging. Regarding our partner is Mangalore Digital Academy, who are one of the leading digital marketing training provider and service provider in India. So I went through their details, and we had a lot of discussion from last 1 year, and then we started now because their training are very good, very effective. So we started a collaboration with them, and we are offering the training programs in Nepal. Mangalore Digital Academy provides digital marketing courses, and then they provide digital marketing services. So this is an advantageous point, they are not only providing digital marketing courses, they are providing digital marketing services also. So from that perspective, the person, the student who will enroll with us and take the courses will get latest digital techniques, tricks and techniques with practical examples, projects, and all other sort of thing, which will make the learning much more effective and very easy to implement and get the benefits. About trainer, we have got Vipin Yadavji, who is a digital marketing expert, hands-on professional who has really worked with projects and carried out a lot of trainings, and then he has very good knowledge about digital marketing. And then we have Pankaj Kumar, who is also a specialist in digital marketing. Both are associated with Mangalore Digital Academy. So I'll ask them to put their introduction by themselves when the time comes.
Fine. So let me share my screen first.
Okay, fine. So do I need to stop my share?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Just give me a few minutes, please. Okay, fine.
Now you guys can see my screen, right?
Yeah, we can see the screen, but it's like blank sort of thing. You can add or
no, still blank.
Yeah, still blank. In my side, I don't know what.
Pankaj, for you?
It's white only.
Wait, then let me stop sharing. Start sharing again. Now.
Now it's proper.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yes. Okay. So, hi and welcome to this workshop. My name is Vipin Yadav, and what we are doing here, we are providing digital marketing services in Mangalore Digital Academy, and also we are training students who is joining us. So in the sort of thing, like we are providing a combination of training plus services. So today workshop is about digital marketing. So we'll start in a few minutes. So if you are just beginning your career in digital marketing, or you have been listening buzz about digital marketing. So in next 1.5 hours, we are going to show you what is the scope of digital marketing and how you can use this to grow your career in digital marketing. So let's get started. Okay. So first thing, we'll start with a common question like, what is digital marketing? So digital marketing is all about connecting with business with their target audience using online channel. So you can consider like offline. In previous days, what used to happen, like salesperson, they used to come, they used to knock your door and they used to disturb you. And even we guys also get angry. But nowadays, everything got changed, even though company have moved online and we as a customer also moved online. So nowadays, everyone trying to promote their company or sell their businesses through online channels. So in digital marketing, what we have to do, we have to promote either own business or our client business through online digital channel. That is called a digital marketing. So there are few online channels. As you can see, first one is website or blog. So to promote our business or company, first we should have a blog or website. So in website, we can mention all our services, what we offer, and what is our contact detail, address detail. Or if you are running a blog, so in blog we can mention a particular niche. For example, let's a health blog. So in health blog, we can mention how to take care about COVID-19 safety, how to get away from diabetes. So those kind of informational content. Second thing, social media. So now like everyone using social media, everyone have their account in social media, and daily basis, most of the people is spending 3 to 4 hours in social media. So that is a big opportunity over there to promote our business and attract the customer. So one thing you have to remember in digital marketing, what we have to do, we have to promote business online. And where we have to promote, where most of the audience are spending their time. So everyone knows social media is the one of the place where everyone spend lots of time. After that, organic search, that is also called search engine optimization. So even like if you have been like, if most of the people, they are going to Google and they are searching what they are looking for. Suppose you want to go to dentist, so you might search like dentist near me. So Google will show you the result. So those results comes under search engine optimization. Now next one is paid search. This is also similar to Google only, but the thing is, instead of showing organic result, we are going to pay some amount to Google and show our ad on the Google first page. For example, I will show you in next slide. For now, this introduction is fine. And video advertising. So now same, if you have been using YouTube, you might have seen few ads are coming at the beginning, and there might be the option for skip video. So this is also a powerful way to promote any business or services. And mobile marketing. Now most of the people, they are shifting to mobile. Everyone have access to the internet. So even though everyone using, even before sleeping also, most of the people, they used to check mobile. So that is a great way for a businesses to promote their business online and to target audience. And the last but the not least, email marketing. Email marketing, everyone aware of. I think most of the people, they aware of email marketing. Whenever we open our Gmail, so we used to got few promotional messages or email. So that is an email marketing. In email marketing, we'll create a template and that will suit to mass of the people by using some database. So hope you are with me, you are understanding what is digital marketing. This is a basic thing. Now we'll go a little bit statistics about internet in Nepal. So you guys can see like this is like how internet people are increasing every year. So last in Jan 2022, there are 11 million people who is having the access of the internet, which is 7.7% more than as compared to previous year 2021. So from this we can find out that we have lost lots of scope on the internet because everyone is having access of the internet. Then search engine market share on Nepal. So Google is dominating everywhere, and obviously in Nepal also almost 98% of people using Google search engine on Nepal. After that, Bing is there, and then other search engine, Baidu, Yahoo, Yandex. Baidu is a Chinese search engine. Yahoo is owned by Microsoft. Bing also owned by Microsoft. Yandex, Russia search engine. So these are the other search engine. So mostly we have to care about Google search engine because Google has the almost 98% of market share. So in digital marketing, we will focus more to promote our business or services through Google search engine instead of focusing on Bing, Yahoo, and other search. Then social media users, same like internet users. Since internet users are continuously increasing, same like that social media users also continuously increasing on yearly basis. So we can see like 2014 we have 3 millions, now it's reached around 14 million users, 13.7 million users. So we can see that how people are consuming or spending their time most of the time on the social media. So as a marketer or a business owner, we should take the benefit of this by promoting our services. Then website, which is getting most click from the social media. So Facebook is dominating here, almost 82% of market share. After Facebook, we have Twitter and Instagram. And then obviously YouTube also. So if as a business owner you are looking, or a freelancer, or either you are working for a company, if you are looking to promote your product or service, so Facebook, Instagram, YouTube is the best option to go with. Now here is the difference between digital marketing versus traditional marketing. So like digital marketing, I have already explained you, like we need to reach to our target audience through online channel. So that can be done by sitting in an office. You don't need to go outside. What you need, internet connection and laptop, that's all. Instead, traditional marketing, you have to go into the field door by door. You have to go, you have to promote, you have to speak with the customer. So that was the traditional way of doing marketing. So we'll start comparison. Cost effective, digital marketing is a cost effective. As I said, what we need internet connection that everyone have nowadays, and a laptop to promote your product and services. And other way, in traditional marketing, we need to place our ad on a board, like in road somewhere on the board. You have to promote, you have to give ad. Whereas in digital marketing, only website is enough to promote your product and services. And reach, second option is reach out to the maximum people. As we are online and everyone have the access to the internet, so anyone, I suppose your business is there in Kathmandu, but your website can be opened by anyone. Even from India, I can open your website and see what product or services you are offering. But if you will go with traditional marketing, so that will be limited to a particular area, because the board or ad we are placing on the road, so that will be limited, and that also for a few seconds. because no one is going to stand there for a long time and read your ads. And third option is highly conversion rate. So there are maximum chances of converting the customer on digital marketing. As they are coming to website, they have a free time, they can read our product or services, our blog, as compared with low conversion on a traditional marketing. Because even if you are riding somewhere in a bike or car, you will see those ads for a few seconds. Even radio, if any ad is coming, that is also that will also finish in 2 or 3 seconds also. So you won't have much time to listen about those traditional ads. Whereas in digital marketing, everything is your control. You have a website, whenever you want to open, you can open and you can check out. So that is a benefit. And another benefit is measurable result. In digital marketing, we can measure each and everything, how many people is reading our ad and what is the conversion of our ad. We can find out ki like 400 people has read our ad, and out of that 100 people has submitted the form or they have contacted me through my website. In other side, in traditional marketing, there is no way to measure how many people is reading your ad, because suppose in newspaper you have given ad, so there is no way to measure how many people have read your ad. You know, obviously, like newspaper has gone to that much number of people, but we cannot sure how many people have read our ad. So that is a downside, another downside of traditional marketing. Then communication is interactive and two-way. In digital marketing, there is a two-way communication. From website, you can contact to anyone and you will get a reply from another side. So there is a two-way communication. But in traditional marketing, there is no communication. Like ad is there, number is there. You have to call and you have to find out. Like even though they are not providing much information, so you have to call, you have to note down all the details. Whereas in digital marketing, the benefit is if you are filling the form or contacting anyone, right away you will get the response. And even though details are also available on the website, on a social media and other review websites. Another benefit of digital marketing is customer come to you via search engine, social media and referral. And other side, customer are sold out. Let's say take the same example. I am a dentist, and if people are searching a dentist near me, so my website will come up. And so what happened? The person who need a dentist, they are searching on the Google and they are contacting. So here customers are coming to us. In other side, in traditional marketing, we are forcing customer to listen about us. So obviously, which method is good? First one. And through like in traditional marketing, how they are contacting? Through TV, radio, banner advertising, ad, cold calling. I think most of your people, they might be getting calls about credit cards or loans. So this is a way of traditional marketing. Whereas if in digital marketing you need a credit card or loan, so just you have to search on Google, you have to go to the website and you have to read all the detail and content. So there is more transparency in a digital market. And the last one is marketer provide value. In digital marketing, through website, blogs and social media and video, we can provide valuable information. We can help our customer to solve their problems. Whereas in traditional marketing, there is no salesperson who will give you more knowledge. The main focus of salesperson is to sell their product. Even though in TV ad, what they are saying, the main thing, this XYZ and take our services. Radio also in 1 minute, they cannot guide you or they cannot teach you or they cannot help you to solve their problem. So what they are doing, they are just promoting themselves. Whereas in digital marketing, we can do both. We can promote ourselves at the same time we can help our customer to solve by solving their problems. So in digital marketing is not always about selling the product, it's also helping our customer to solve their problem. For example, suppose if you are getting fever or small issues, health issues, so you might be searching on Google ki homemade tips to solve this issue. So you are getting some blogs, you are implementing those techniques, and if the issue is very small, that will fix in a 1 or 2 days. So this is another way anyone can take the benefit of digital marketing. So here, there, what happened? You got the solution of your problem, and what advertiser got or what digital marketer got, he got some traffic to his website and some trust towards his website. So this is digital marketing and traditional marketing. So obviously you guys might have understand like digital marketing is an effective way to go with as compared to traditional marketing. Even nowadays, most of the traditional marketing people, they are learning digital marketing so they can take the benefit of both marketing and they can improve their salary by learning new skill and their position in a company. Then this is a digital marketing team structure, like how digital marketing people work, or there is hierarchy in a company. So we can see here like obviously we'll start from the higher one, chief marketing officer. So every company have a higher position. We'll not discuss about that. We'll discuss about this. Like we have first digital marketing manager. So digital marketing manager and digital marketing strategist work under chief marketing officer. So what is the role of digital marketing manager? He manages all the marketing activity in a company or agency. And digital marketing strategist, his role is to create the strategy for company to grow online. So both digital marketing manager and strategy, they discuss with each other, they come up with a strategy, and that strategy has been followed by the downside of the company, like digital marketing team lead. Then they will explain the same to team lead, and that is the role of team lead to execute the strategy with the help of other person like SEO lead, search engine optimization lead, search engine marketing lead, social media marketing lead, and other people. So here, if you want to start your career in digital marketing, you can choose any of these things, any of this. And obviously you have to start from the bottom. So anyone who likes organic, they can go with search engine optimization. So they can start their career as a SEO analyst or as a SEO specialist. Then they will switch into SEO lead. Same in case of SEM, search engine marketing lead. If you want to become that, you can start your career as a PPC analyst or Google Ad specialist. Same in terms of social media. You can start, if you like social media, you like to spend more time on social media, then instead of wasting your time over there, you can use that to grow your career. You can use social media to grow your career. So you can start with content creator or social media specialist. Content creator role is to come up with an idea that can be viral on the social media platform. So his not role is to decide the content. He has to come up with an idea. Okay, today we can post this type of content, or this is trending on a news, so we can go with this type of content. Apart from that, anyone can start their career from an internship in digital marketing. So this is the main thing. After that, also lots of small jobs are there which I have not mentioned. For example, link builder, this digital marketing intern, SEO intern, Google AdWords intern, social media intern. So there is lots of scope to start your career in a digital marketing, and digital marketing is the only field where lots of jobs are there, but people are less as compared to the jobs. So there are more jobs opening in the market and less qualified people are there on the market. Then average salary structure. So if you are starting your career in digital marketing, so like for a digital marketing manager, this is the range. So digital marketing manager will get from 51 to 2,50,000. And another one is digital marketing specialist, 54 to 1,75,000. This is the average one. It can be more, but it cannot be less, depend upon the company. So if you are working in a big company, obviously the amount is going to increase. Otherwise, it will be there between this range. Then if you reach to a team lead level, so your salary will start from 40 and it can go up to 1,60,000. And in social media, and at your starting stage, you will get 15K. And once you will get experience, you can reach up to 1,20,000. Same in search engine optimization, it will start from 15K and it will reach up to 1,45,000. Same with social media or search engine marketing, that is also called Google Ad. It will start from 20K and reach up to 1.50. And ad specialist. The ad specialist is one who can run ad on all the platform, in Google, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. So his salary is little higher at the beginning, 30K, and it can go up to 110. So if you are a one who want to enter in digital marketing, so social media, search engine optimization, and search engine marketing is the best way to enter in this field. And after that, based upon your knowledge and experience, you can continuously grow. So suppose you are starting your career as a SEO. So first you will be a SEO, then you can become a SEO specialist, then SEO team lead. Then if you have a knowledge of social media also and Google Adwords also, so you can apply for a digital marketer team lead. After that, you can become a strategist, then manager. So here is like all the fields are interconnected with each other. So it's not like if you have started your career in SEO, so you will be stick to SEO. SEO person also should have the knowledge of Google Adwords, and Google Adwords also person should have the knowledge of SEO. All fields are interconnected with each other. If you have better knowledge in all the fields, so you can improve your position in a company and obviously salary also. And it's not stick only to the company. If you are a business owner, then also you can use this skill to promote your business. If you are a freelancer, or suppose after working 2 years you don't like to continue working in an company environment, you can switch into freelancing. So you can start taking your project your own and you can work from. Lots of the digital marketer are doing the same. They are working 1 or 2 or 3 years and they are starting their own company, or they are switching into freelancing. Or if you are a traditional marketer who want to learn the skill and improve your position and salary, so then also you can go with this. And by the time of 2023 in Nepal, there are 40,000 new jobs are coming in this field. And that is the minimum number that can be trackable. There are lots of small company, they have opening in digital marketing. So for example, nowadays, if any business is there, they need digital marketer. Any business, whether you are a hair cutter, salon shop, a good salon shop also can have digital marketer. A training institute can also have digital marketer. A big manufacturing company or a small manufacturing company, they also can have a digital marketer, SEO specialist. A company that is having website, they need a digital marketer, because having website is not enough if no one is coming to the website and no one is spending time, no one is reading. So a company that is having a website, there is an opportunity of digital marketing job. Then skill required to start your career in digital marketing. So there is nothing like you should be technical or you should be like more logical. Anyone with basic skill can start their career in digital marketing. So few things you should know, like good with social media. So you should know how to use Facebook, Instagram, how to create account over there. Basic stuff like share, subscribe, groups. You should know about this. Now everyone knows about this. Like even 10-year people, small people have the profile in Facebook and little bit they know about how to use it. Second one is internet surfer. So he should love spending time on the internet. If you want to become a digital marketer, so you should love, like while using internet you should not get bored. Another thing is basic design sense. Basic design sense means because in Facebook what people are doing, they are sharing content in the form of video, images. So a person should have basic sense ki if we are creating an image, so you should be able to think ki what kind of image can be get more likes or share. So those idea you have to share with a designer, that's all. You don't need to create an image, you have to sit with a designer and share your thoughts, then he will convert your thought into image, that's all. Then basic analytical skill, like you should have a little basic data skill. Like how many people are coming to our website, so how to analyze them, this will explain you later in the video, analytical skill. Then at last, basic knowledge of website element. So you should know okay, what is website and how what is the website. And suppose we'll open this website, Vyapar app. So this website, they are selling billing software in India. So you should know little bit about this. This is the address of the website, vyaparapp.in. This is the logo of the website. This is the menu of the website. And this is the heading in a website. And this is the paragraph in a website. This is a button. So this basic knowledge, this is the image. So while seeing the website, you should understand what section it is. This is the heading. This is the subheading. This is the paragraph. So that much basic knowledge you should have, or you can learn also. This is not required. And this is called footer. And this is called header. So this basic knowledge is enough to start your career in digital marketing. Then digital marketing techniques or types. So now you guys know we have to promote business or services online, right? But how we have to do this? So there are multiple ways. So these are one of those way. First one is search engine optimization. Second one is search engine marketing. Third one is email marketing. Fourth one is web analytics. Fifth one, social media marketing. Then content marketing and mobile marketing. Or in a short way, we need in a short way you can understand there are two segments. One is search Google and one is social media. There most of the people are spending time. So we need to promote business on Google as well as social media. You can understand in that. So SEO, search engine optimization, and search engine marketing, that comes under Google. So if we are using these techniques, so we need to promote our product or our business in Google. So we'll start with SEO, search engine optimization. So this is a search engine optimization is a technique, and what we have to do here, we have to rank. You can see here, like I've written a little about this. Rank your website on the first page of Google and without paying to the Google. Means if you have a knowledge of search engine optimization, you don't need any other thing. You just need a website and you can promote your business with the help of search engine optimization, and you can get lots of traffic, call and conversion from your website, and you don't need to pay to anyone if you have a knowledge. So this is the example of a search engine optimization. So if you will search anything on Google, for example here online shopping, so you can see there are two listing. First one is ship what you learn from us, and second one is best buy official online store. Amazon. So you can see the second one result has come from SEO, search engine optimization. The difference between these two is you can see the in first listing AD has mentioned. So that is comes under Google Ads. And in second listing, you can see there nothing is there. Like there is nothing like ad symbol. So this result has come through search engine optimization. So if you know search engine optimization, you can promote your website on the first page of Google for any keywords. So here online shopping called keyword in terms of digital marketing. So suppose you are running an interior design company. So for you, keyword will be interior designers in Kathmandu, interior designers in Nepal, kitchen decorator in Kathmandu, a bedroom interior decorator in Kathmandu. So if you are running interior design business, so you can use those keywords and optimize your website and rank on the first page of the Google, and you don't need to pay to anyone. In free of cost, you can get the traffic from the Google if you know search engine optimization. Then second one is search engine marketing. So obviously this is also part of Google. So rank your website on the first page of Google by paying to the Google. So if you remember here also same thing, rank your website on the first page of Google and without paying to the Google. So in search engine optimization, we don't need to pay to anyone. And here in Google Ads, rank your website on the first page of Google by paying to the Google. So here what we are doing, we are using a shortcut method. If you are a business owner who don't have much time, suppose your opening is there, your business, you have a physical store or you have an online e-commerce website, and you don't want to wait for a long time, what you can do, you can buy space on the Google first page and you can show your ad. So for that, what you have to do, you have to pay a small amount to the Google. This is the same example that I have to show you. Now in search engine marketing, the first one is the ad. So the Google also mentioning ad. So we guys can understand that this is a company who is running the ad on the Google. So what benefit? You can rank or you can show your business on the first page of Google after running the ad. And what you have to pay, if anyone clicking on your ad, then only you have to pay. If no one clicking on your ad, so you don't need to pay a single amount. So how this work like just a mobile. In mobile you are recharging amount, and whenever you are calling, the amount is getting deducted. Same like that in search engine, we have to put some money, suppose 500 rupees. Then we can start promoting our business. If anyone clicking on this ad, so 10 rupees will deduct, then slowly like this. So for each click, we have to pay certain amount to Google, not to any other third party person or third party company. Directly you have to pay to Google, and Google is only promoting your website. So there is nothing like any middle person. So if you learn this technique, and you can, by putting a small amount of money, you can promote your business on the search engine. Now the third one is email marketing. Okay. So in email marketing, everyone knows, like most of the people, they are getting emails, promotional mails on the Gmail. So email marketing is a way to promote product or service through email. So this is an example of email marketing. Email marketing, what they do, like most of the people, they are creating a set of template, and they are putting a button. This button is called call to action. So here we can see the clock is ticking now, our sales ending, so get 30% off, shop now. So if you click on shop now button, you will land into the website. So this is another way to attract the customer. Then social media marketing. Web analytics will explain you at the last. Social media marketing. So social media marketing is the use of social media platform to connect with your audience to promote product or services. Same thing, what we are doing, we are promoting our product and services by using different channels. So in SEO SEM we have used Google. In email marketing we are going to use email templates. And in social media content, our content we need to share with our audience, and we should get more likes and share from our content. So content only we are sharing in different form. Few people they like video content, few people they like images, few people they like funny type of content. So those things we need to share. So this is the example of social media marketing. So here if you notice there is a term written in downside of GoDaddy, sponsored. So you next time if you notice while using Facebook, you can see you also see these kind of ads that has been mentioned sponsored. So this is same like a Google ads. There we have to pay amount to Google. Here we have to pay amount to Facebook directly to show our ads. So whenever you see sponsored mention somewhere in your Facebook, so you can find out that these are the ads. Another one is content marketing. So content marketing is a strategy that use blog, article, video, guide, and more to attract buyer and build trust in your company. So in content marketing, our not directly goal is to say to sell our product or services. With the help of content marketing, our goal is to help people to solve their problem. Suppose you are in your laptop, you got some issue, your keyboard is not working or some buttons are not working because of any software issue. So in the next time you will go to YouTube and you will search your problem, you will get the video and you can solve your problem. So this is a part of content marketing. In content marketing, we need to come up with a content that can solve people problem, and there should be a demand also. It's not like we are simply creating content and no one is searching for that. So first we need to find out what is the problem, then we need to provide a solution. So in Google, you are typing what is digital marketing, what is the scope of digital marketing. So all these are a part of content marketing. The time you will search what is digital marketing, you will land it to any blog. So what happened? The blog you will read, you will get some trust. So later, if you want to learn, so obviously more chances are there you will contact to the same people. So this is a mental psychology. If you start liking any blog or website, the first thing comes, you will contact to them only. So content marketing is a part of that. We use content marketing to build trust towards our brand. And the last, this is the example of content marketing. So 32 weight loss secret from real women who completely transform their body. So here what we have done, you see the way this post has been done. So here is like everything written in a points and real-time images are there. So anyone who want to lose weight can easily connect with this. And the last one is mobile marketing. So now like most of the people, they have the access of mobile, so they are spending more and more time on mobiles. So whether it's Facebook, Instagram on mobile, or reading blogs on mobile, using Google on mobile, or doing shopping from mobile. So mobile is the good way to target audience. So mobile marketing is any advertising activity that promote product and service via mobile device, such as tablet and smartphone. So in mobile marketing, what is the thing is the other activity, content marketing, social media, email, SEM, all those things you have to do, but you have to target mobile users. That is the only difference. This is the example of a mobile marketing. So while using any website or any app, you might have seen this. Okay, download our app and get 20% off, or use this coupon. So these kind of stuff you will get only on mobile. In desktop, no one will ask you download our app. In mobile only, because so they are targeting in a way that their ad will come only on mobile, not on desktop. Then at last, web analytics. So in skill also, I said we should know little bit analytical skill. So that is web analytics. So in web analytics, what is that? Web analytics is the process of analyzing the behavior of visitor to a website. Here we have to analyze how many people are visiting our website, how much time they are spending on a website, which pages they are checking. So suppose take a dentist example. So if my website lots of traffic is coming and most of the people are checking root canal page, so obviously I will find out that there is a more demand of root canal in this particular area, in this particular city. So I will focus more on that particular services in coming days. So this is how like we should analyze and we should take decision. And for that tools are there. So you don't need to worry about anything, whatever I have teach you. This is the example of web analytics. So we can see that how many people are watching our website in a real time. So in this screenshot, we can see within 5 minutes, 17 people have visited a particular website from India. Then few digital marketing tools. So whatever things I have teach you, that can be done through these tools. So the first one is Google Analytics. So track user behavior on the website. So this is a web analytics. So this can be measured from or by using this tool that is called Google Analytics. So let me show you like little bit real time example. So to open Google Analytics and one more thing, this is a Google product. Google Analytics is a Google product. Google Search Console is a Google product. Google Adwords is a Google product. Google My Business is a Google product. So all four is a Google product. All four are free. Anyone can use. You guys no need to pay anything to anyone to use these services. So Google Analytics. To use that, simply I need to type analytics.google.com. So this is the analytics. So we can see that in left side, you can see lots of options are there.
BP, sorry to interrupt you. Your screen is not visible for that Google Analytics browser.
One minute. One minute. I think here again and again I need to share. Now it's visible.
Yes.
So let me confirm one thing. Now that PPT is visible.
PPT is not visible now. Only this is.
Okay, fine, no issue. So we'll switch like that. So to open analytics, just what we have to type analytics.google.com. And for that, Gmail account is enough. You don't need to create any separate account for this. And here we can see left hand side under report, we have a real time option. So just click on real time overview. And we can see in last 5 minutes on this website, 7 people are there. And what is this website? Wood2.in. So for this website, we have created a Google Analytics account. You can see here, Wood2 Nutrition. This. So what they are doing, they are providing dietitian services in Chennai. So we are promoting their business. So for that, we have created this account. You see number has increased from 7 to 8. and right side we can see which pages they are most these customers are or these visitors are. And if you want to check the location, you can go under location and you can see all the users are from India. Just click on India and we can see the city also. Chennai, 3 people are there, one from Bangalore, one from Bhubaneswar, one from Madurai. And here we can see a graphical representation. So this is a very powerful tool that can be used to analyze your audience and take your decision. So from here we can easily find out from which city we are getting more traffic, and we can strongly target our website on that particular city. And if we'll click here traffic source, so we can find out from where these people are coming. So you can see these people are coming Google and direct. Since I have opened direct, so for me is coming direct. Direct means I have directly typed the website here, so this is considered as direct. But other people, they came from Google, and under Google CPC means they came through Google Ads, because we are running ads on a Google. So everything we can find out whether SEO is working for me, social media is working for me or not, or Google is working for me or right. So we can find out each and everything. Just we need to further down, and for that we should not, like, we don't need much technical detail for this. We just need to navigate like we are navigating in other website, and we'll get all the details. So here, if you want to check the data of last month, in April month, how many people has come to our website and from where they has come. So if you come down, you can see organic search means from search engine or from SEO or Google SEO, 1,819 people has come in April month. 1,700 people has directly typed the website and they have come. Referral website means third party blogs, third party websites, 1,360 people has come. From Google Ads, 1,000 people has come. Display, this is also a part of Google Ads only, 690 people has come. And from social media, 57 people has come. So here we can get each and every detail from where how many people have come. And suppose you want to see which page they have come, suppose you organic result, so you can further break down this. You can click on landing pages, so you can see which pages most of the people are coming. So out of 1,890 people, 1,400 people come to home page. This is called a home page, main page of the website. After that, all product page, 65 people, weight loss page, 54 people. So we can easily find out which page is performing well or not, and we can put our effort accordingly. So this is a web analytics. We have to play with the numbers. We'll get the data, we have to analyze data, and we have to take decision. So so the next one is, so this was the overview of Google Analytics. Next one will start Google Search Console. So in Google Search Console, this is also a Google product. Sir, my screen is visible.
Your presentation screen is visible, other screen is not visible.
So Google Search Console. So to open that, we need to type search.google.com. Now it's visible, right, sir?
Yes, yes.
So obviously this is a Google product, so we don't need to do anything. So here, Google Search Console, why we use this? We use to check the performance of our website in Google. So if you have a website, this website name is kanakupillai.com. kanakupillai.com. Again, they are in Chennai or all over India. They are providing these filing services, tax filing, GST registration and all. So here we can see the performance, like you can see this graph. So this graph shows the performance of your website. So you can see the performance of these websites are increasing. And if I'm moving the cursor, 24th of April, we got 1284 click from the Google, this. And if you click on the report, we can also find out what people are searching on a Google and how many clicks we are getting for a particular term. So in digital marketing, these terms are called keywords. So Kanakupille is a keyword. KFC franchisee cost in India is a keyword. Subway franchisee cost in a keyword. GST threshold limit. So for these keyword, we have got 1000 clicks. So from here we can find out what people are searching related to my business. And if any term is not available in your website, you can create a page for them and start promoting. So this is the power of Search Console. We can find out each and everything, how we are performing in Google. So here are a few other things that in course, obviously, we are explaining each and everything in detail. Here just I am giving you an overview. So with the help of this tool, like suppose in your website you have any issue. So go to here, come to overview. This is a performance, this is a coverage. So we can see 4 page with error. So click on the full report and we can see these 4 pages having issue. So we can also find out which page is not working well. So these 4 pages are not opening in the website. So this we need to update to the development team and they will fix it. So we don't need to do anything. We just need to analyze, and if you face any problem, just contact to the related team. And the next one is Google Adwords Ads. So this is again Google product. And what is the example? Like apartments in Bangalore. So see, if I'm searching this term, so you can see AD is coming here, AD. So this is a Google Ads. This is a Google ad. Google ad, Google ad. And whatever coming downside of this ad, that is SEO. So this is SEO, SEO, SEO. You can see there is nothing mentioned AD, and there we have AD. So these guys are paying a certain amount for each click to Google. So that's why those results are coming on top. And these guys are ranking here organically, means to rank here, they are not paying any amount to anyone. They have followed the best practice under search engine optimization, and that's why Google is ranking their website. So to bring your ad here, you can use Google AdWords account. So what mostly thing is, for everything we have a tool that we should know how to use, that's all. And with this you should have a little bit basic knowledge on the internet, that's all. Anyone can learn digital marketing, but you should have an interest also on this field. So here we have so many accounts. I will show you one account. Review PU college. So this is a PU college. PU college means 10th and 11th, and these are the campaigns we are running in different locations: Tumkur, Rajajinagar, Kiarpuram, Mysore. So let me click here, and you can see like this is the budget. So for all camping we have a budget 3000 rupees on a daily basis. And if we'll move a little right side, so we can see for this camping we got this much of click, this much of click, this much impression, CTR, what is the average amount. So 22 rupees we are paying for this campaign for a single click. So in total we have paid 749 rupees, and here we can change the data also accordingly. So the data will filter based upon date. So every detail will get. So if we click here, we can see this ad group. And here to run this Google AdWord, what you need, you just need to create a campaign, and in campaign you have to put all the keyword. So if you want to show your ad for a keyword like Tumkur PU College, then enter here. So these ad will show if anyone will type Tumkur PU College, top PU College, top science PU College in Tumkur, best PU College in Tumkur, residential PU College in Tumkur. So these are the keywords that we need to put here, and we need to create our ads. So this is our ad. So this is how it will come on Google. One heading will come, one description will come. That's all. So it's very easy, like basic knowledge, and you can create this ad and you can promote your business. And right away, it will start showing here. Okay. Then after that, so you understood now, for web analytics, we are using Google Analytics. For SEO, we are using Google Search Console. So the Google Search Console I have showed you, that comes under SEO. This Google AdWord we are using, that comes under search engine marketing. Now Facebook is remaining. So for Facebook, we are using Facebook Ad Manager. So just we need to type business.facebook.com. And again, we have an interface or tool that we have to use to create an ad. So this is an ad. This is our ad manager for Mangalore Digital Academy. Here, suppose you want to create ads. So left side, you can see ads are there. Click on ads. And we can, like, these are the, click on all ads. So these are the ads that we had created in the past, and reach, everything is there, and the amount we have spent. So suppose you want to create a new ad. So click on create ad from top side. And you need to select a goal. Why you want to create an ad? Like you want to get more post like or share, then go with boost a post. If you want to promote your ad on Instagram, then go with this. Promote your page likes, page. So promote this. Or if you want to get more traffic to your website, and most of the marketer, they are using this only, get more website traffic, then click on this. So what we have decided here, we are running our ads because we want to get more traffic to our website. So it will come like this, and right side is the overview of our ad. So we have used this image, and this headline is coming here. So if you are typing digital marketing training, that will reflect there and come in ad preview. You see training has come. So this is the preview of our ad. So here also is very simple. You need to add the image that you want to promote. You need to write a short description for the same, and you need to provide heading and what kind of button, apply now you need or book now you need, based upon your requirement. If you need book now, then click on book now, it will come book now. Then on which website you want to like get more traffic, so that website URL we need to write. Then here a term called audience. So which audience you want to target. So just click here. So let's say I want to target Bangalore. So just I need to type here Bangalore city. So it comes like Bangalore plus 40-kilometer area. Suppose you want to reduce the range, you can reduce this. So this ad will show to people who is living in Bangalore under 23 kilometers. And suppose these are the other condition that we can use. So suppose I want to show my ad only to a specific college. So suppose IIM is there in Bangalore. So we can even select IIM Bangalore. So our ad will visible to the people who are studying in IIM Bangalore, no other people. So we can control our ad where it should visible or it should not. So we have so much power to control our ads. So suppose suppose you are running a honeymoon company or event organization company or marriage organization company. So you can show your ad to a people who get newly married or newly engaged. So how you can do that? Same like here, you have to come select the location and just click on browse, and here you can see in under demographic relationship. So under relationship, come click and you can select newly engaged, in a relation, not in a relationship, engaged. So whoever got engaged, obviously in coming 1 or 2 years is going to get married, or here already married, or so based upon that you can select your audience here. So your ad now will only visible to the person who is engaged and married. So like that you can select, even though under live events there is a more option, newly engaged in 1 year, newly engaged in 3 months, 6 months, newly. So we have lots of option to select and target our audience, and totally is depend upon how we can think. That's all. So like that we can target newly engaged people. And suppose you are running a restaurant and your restaurant is little premium restaurant in Bangalore. So obviously you don't want to target a people that is looking for a like low budget restaurant. So what we can do, we have to think like who can be premium users. So one shot is coming if you have an iPhone, and if the person who is having iPhone, that can spend little more amount and come to our restaurant. So to what you have to do, just go to behavior, click on mobile device user, all device by brand, Apple, and you can select like Facebook XR, like they have Apple X5, iPad, iPhone 6 is lower side, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 8. So like that we can select and we can target to the user. So now our ad will visible only a person that is having iPhone. So like that we can segregate our audience and target accordingly. So this is the power of Facebook ad. Okay guys, and now let me come back to the prompt slide. So this is the tool. Time is running out, so I'm just stopping here. Otherwise there is few other tools also, SEMrush and Google My Business. So Google My Business, in Google, you like if you are searching for any location, so any location map is coming, so that can be managed through Google My Business. So you can create your map listing and you can manage everything over there. And SEMrush, if you want to analyze, you can use this tool to analyze competitor traffic. So suppose I am a dentist and next of my side one more dentist is there, so I can find out how many clicks and traffic that person is getting online with the help of this SEMrush tool. So in digital marketing there are lots of tools who can literally do 50 to 60% of your work. Just what we have to do, we have to analyze the data and take the further decision. That's all. Then who should take up this digital marketing course? So any fresher who want to start career in digital marketing, he can take this course. Any business owner who want to promote their business, so even though business owners also can go with this course. Any professional looking for career change, so suppose you are a developer or you are a traditional marketer or you are a just accountant or you are not happy with your job, you can switch to this career and you can take the benefit. The most like the best thing is, if you are coming into digital marketing, no one will ask about your previous experience and all, if that is from another field. Here, what company need a person who should have the knowledge of digital marketing. That's all. If you have a knowledge, no one is going to ask you why you have not worked for 2 years, or why you had work as a traditional marketer, now you are shifting, or why you are a housewife and why you want to join this. No one will ask anything. They just need a knowledge, and you should able to help them increase their business. That's all. Then freelancer who want to upskill knowledge. Suppose you are a freelancer, you knows only search engine optimization, and you want to explore more to social media and Google Analytics, so you can join this course. Traditional marketer, yes, obviously you can join. Any housewife who want to learn new skill and work from. So housewife also can take this course and they can work from, because nowadays actually digital marketing is like you can work from anywhere. So most of the company, they need a result. That's all. They are not asking to come to office and spend your time over there. And any student who is looking for a part-time income by doing online work, so a student can also take this course. They can learn the skill and they can start working online and earning and start earning. So this is all about this digital marketing. Now we can take your questions if anyone have the question.
Yes, thank you very much.
Some questions has come like, sure, we will send you recording. Okay. We will repeat SEO at the end of so someone want me to repeat SEO, right?
Yeah, means like that was at the beginning of the session. I think already you have explained. So
okay, we'll explain now. Dear all, if you have, okay, if anyone have any question, they can also free to ask. Meanwhile, I will explain.
या कसैको केही क्वेशनहरु छ भने उहाँहरुले च्याटमा अथवा माइक अनम्युट गरेर सोध्न सक्नुहुन्छ। कुनै पनि क्वेशन छ भने उहाँहरु एक्सपर्ट हुनुहुन्छ, यहाँहरुलाई चाहिँ कुनै पनि क्वेशन छ भने त्यो चाहिँ आन्सर उहाँहरुले दिनुहुन्छ।
Okay, fine. And sir, my screen is visible to you?
Yes. Yes.
So see what is the goal of SEO. As a SEO, we need to promote our website on a Google search engine, and that without paying to anyone. So suppose you are running a business, interior business, so interior designers in Bangalore. So these are coming AD. These comes under search engine marketing. So if any business owner or any person who want to place their ad in the first place under ads, so they should know how to use Google AdWords, and from there they can create and they can rank their website. But
sorry, Vipin, your screen is not visible now.
Now?
No, it's not coming here at my end. Can other people see? Yeah, it's coming now. Yeah.
So see, can now see your screen. So if you will search any keyword, see, first one thing you need to remember, for users, this is a normal query, what they are looking for. But as a digital marketer, this is a keyword for us. So if anyone searching interior designer in Bangalore, this is a keyword for us. Buy shoes online, this is a keyword for us. Buy iPhone 7 online, iPhone 10 online, or top interior designers in Bangalore. All these are keyword for us as a marketer. So first we need to find out what people are searching related to our business. So if I am running interior design business and my location in Bangalore, so I have to find out what people are searching on the Google related to my business. So those things we can get, like if you will search here, downside you can see. So people are searching interior designer in Bangalore, top 10 interior designers in Bangalore, top interior designers in Bangalore, best interior designers in Bangalore. So these are the other keywords that people are searching who is looking for interior design and services. So as a SEO, my role is to rank my website for all those keywords in the first page of the Google. So if anyone is typing interior designers in Bangalore, so my website should come on the first page, and this is the first result under SEO. So if I have a website, so I should rank my website anywhere here in the first page. And all these are SEO result. This is from SEO, this is from SEO, these images are from SEO, these videos are coming from SEO, this also from SEO. So wherever nothing has mentioned, that is SEO. Here AD has mentioned, so that is coming from search engine marketing, Google Ads. And downside, if you will come, there are also 3 ad will come from this. This ad is coming from Google Ads, search engine marketing. This also coming from search engine marketing. But all these are coming from SEO. So total we have 10 results that is coming in a first page from SEO. So as a SEO, my focus should be to rank my website under these 10 results. And if my website is ranking on the top of SEO result, then it's obviously very good. Because if ranking website is on top, so I will get lots of click, lots of traffic from the website. So obviously people will contact me and my business will increase. The end goal is my business should increase, either from SEO, either from social media, either from search engine marketing. So if you are a business owner or you are a startup, you don't have much money to run ads, so you can go with SEO. These are called Google My Business. So all these listing are coming Google My Business, that comes under SEO. So you can rank your website here and free of cost. So what you need only knowledge, that's all. You don't need any money to rank your website here. Obviously you should have a website, then only you can rank here. So this is SEO. We need to rank website on the first page of Google without paying to the Google. And how we have to do that? For first step is we need to find out what people are searching. So that is called keyword research. We need to do keyword research, and based upon those keywords we need to optimize our website, and we need to show Google that we are a best for this particular keyword, and we will rank in a first page. And to do this process, it will take 1 or 2 months, and you can easily rank your website in a first page. And if you don't have that much of time, you can directly pay to the Google, and from next day you can show your ad here. So the drawback, the thing is, if you are a little bit money, you can run this ad. Otherwise you can go with this, or you can go with both. So anyone have any other question?
कसैको केही क्वेशनहरु छ सोध्न सक्नुहुन्छ Okay, Bipin, thank you very much for your excellent presentation, and I think let me share some other thing.
Yes, sir.
In the meantime, we can always take the question. समय भएको हुनाले म चाहिँ केही चीज शेयर गर्न चाहन्छु, अनि त्यसपछि उहाँको क्वेशन छ भने त्यो पनि म लिन्छु. Yes, Bipin, you were saying something?
No, fine. You continue, sir.
Okay, so I'll share my screen. Is it visible now?
Yes, it's visible.
Fine, thank you. So we already discussed about Bipin and Pankaj. Okay, one thing I want to tell you, the training that you are going to take will be a hands-on training. Hands-on in the perspective that Bipin has already explained everything, how you do the things, but you need to practice it with your hands. Until and unless you don't practice with your hand, you won't get the skills. You will have the knowledge, but you won't get the skills. The skills that is needed to present before your prospective employer after you complete the training and to land into a job. So that is very important. So you need to, if you take a digital marketing course from anywhere, so to say, you don't have to take it from us only. You can take it from anywhere. And if you go to an interview, then the interviewer will ask you, can you do a Facebook ad on your own? Can you do a Google ad on your own? If your answer is yes, then you will get the job. So for that, you need to have hands-on practice. So this is where our courses will make the difference. We focus on providing you the hands-on skill that you will use to land into your dream job. How we will do it? Through industry professionals like Bipin and Pankaj. By what process we will do it? We'll take you to real life projects also, where you will really run an ad and see how it performs. Then you will get the knowledge. So for all that thing, the question is what you need to do. First thing is that you have to expand on the course. Second thing, very important thing, is that you need to give time. Unless and until you are not committed, then this will be a sort of wastage of money. So that is where you have to be very clear. It's like you should have time, and you should give time for the course. Means once you do that, then you will get the skills which will set you apart in the market than others. Means. So that is what I wanted to tell you. What is the difference that you get in the course? And then let me go to the next slide, please. Okay, this is done. Okay, I think I don't have to go much into the multiple learning opportunities, thing, because already Bipin has explained it very clearly. So means like after becoming digital marketer, shortly I'll go through it. You can become an entrepreneur, start your own business, work as a freelancer, work on individual projects. You can work as a freelancer, means like there are a lot of platform, Fiverr, and then Upwork, Guru, and a lot of platforms are there wherein you can use that skill to earn from your home. Means the best thing, as Bipin has pointed out time and again, that means like the best part is you can work from your home, provided you have a laptop, a good internet connection, and the dedication, the interest, and the effort that you want to put in. If you have all that thing, then you can not only earn NPR and INR, you can earn in USD also. USD, Euro, and everything you can earn. It's not limited to Nepal or Nepal only. You can earn means like from everywhere. So that is a scope which you won't get in any other jobs. Okay, and the beautiful part is that you don't have to have the idea of technical things. Means okay, you don't have to have be very technical like. Fine, Ujjalji, I saw your due to power cut. No problem. I will provide you the recording once the session is over. So that is a beautiful part from there, and through affiliate marketing and AdSense, you can do online earning. And by the way, I want to tell all the audience also that we have a web page wherein you can go and join different sessions which are will be organized in recent days along with MDA. So you can join over there, check the pages in regular interval, and go over there and join for different sessions. Okay. The other thing is that you can work as a professional in a professional job like a digital marketer, SEO, or whatever is good for you, and earn as a regular employee. So that option is there. So let me go to the next slide. Okay, what are the courses that we are offering? So let me just give you a little bit brief on that. We have advanced digital marketing course for 40 days, SEO 10 days, social marketing, media marketing 10 days, Google AdWords 10 days, a combination of SEO plus AdWords 20 days, AdWords plus social media 20 days, SEO plus social media 20 days. So you can choose means like what course is means like better for you. You can start with 10 days course and see how it goes on. And then you can add on to other courses if you feel very good, or you are means if the combination is working out to your benefit, then you can always go for other courses. That is what I want to tell you. And regarding the detail of those courses, you can always get back to Basuji, who will coordinate with you and provide you more details on that. I don't want to go into the detail of that. So the next question is when the course will start. Right now, we are offering advanced digital marketing, and depending on the batch size, we'll go for all other courses. And we are planning to start the course by 14 June 2022. So you can always register. And by the way, because you have attended the session, so I have a very good offer for you. So there will be very good discount if you enroll before that date. Otherwise, after that, the rate will go to as already described to you by Basuji. But if you decide, if you enroll before 14 June, then you will get very attractive discount. So details which will be explained to you by Basuji. Okay, I don't want to go to detail of this one. Business owner who will be who can take this course. So it can be anywhere. Already Bipin has explained on that. So I'll go to the next slide. How good is a career in digital marketing? So I think this is already very clearly explained by Bipin, so I don't have to go over there. So I'll just go through it very quickly. So what are the positions that you can work on? Even that it has been described very clearly by Bipinji, so I don't have to go into details of that. Content writer, SEO officer, SEO manager, digital marketing executive or manager, digital marketing head, all that thing you can do. Okay, what are the program benefits of our course? So first thing is that no barriers to learning. Only thing is that anybody with interest can. You don't have to be means IT graduate or technical, need to have technical skills to get this course. Only thing is that you should be a little bit conversant on you operating the web pages, going through the social media. And then if you have the interest and time, then you can obviously learn the details of this course and use it to your benefit. Second, safe and convenience from the safety of your home. You can learn. This is an online course. So as such, Bipin is from Bangalore. Pankaj is from Bangalore. They are stationed over there. We are in Kathmandu, and a lot of other guys are in the station are from different places. So in an environment, we are getting all the benefits out of there in this online session. So you can see how effective it will be to get the benefits, the resources sitting at your home. Means anytime, anywhere learning, 100% online learning. So we'll have a schedule. We'll have a means like the timing, which we'll decide later on, and then along with your party means consultation, and we'll decide the time wherein you can join, and the timing will be according to that. The other thing is that you are in safe hands when you get trained by MDA, which is a means like a leading digital academy and service provider in Bangalore. And then NMSPL, we are in service from last 16 years. You will be trained by experienced Indian and Nepali industry professionals and domain experts. So that is the advantage that you will get. And one course with multiple options. This digital marketing course is one of the courses which has a lot of options. So you can work as a part-timer, freelancer, or full-time job. Other jobs don't provide you all that flexibility. So this is a choice which you can use to means like align your interest with earning potential. So that is what I wanted to stress. Okay, the other thing is that training content. The training content is very scientifically paced and designed in such a way that okay, there is some question. Bipin, you want to take it?
You continue. After you, I will take it.
Okay, sure. Ujjalji, I will come to that, okay, and then I will answer you. Okay, so this is designed in such a way that, as I told you earlier, that means like the session will be fully means like practical based, hands-on. So you get the skills, and to get that hands-on skill, the program has to be designed in such a way that it is in very scientifically designed. So that we have done. So once you want detail, we can show that. Other edge, the learning edge is that we are not focused on theory only. We are focused on demo, practical assignment, quiz, case study, and projects. So all these things will be there in the session, which you will means like use up to learn the course. Okay. Other thing that I want to warn you is that the requirement of this course to take this course is like you need to have a laptop, desktop with working internet connection. Mobile will not be enough. Okay, so you need to have a desktop computer or laptop computer to take this course. Certificate will be provided after semester exam completion conducted by MDA. So we'll provide you certification also after the certification, after the completion of the course. Okay, the important thing is a placement partner. So what we will do once we completed the course. So we have nikhilsjobs.com, which is a subsidiary company of our of NMSPL. So we will be assisting you in the job, getting the job. Bangalore Digital Academy is also there, who will provide you internship and other thing. And the IT Design Lab is there. Surajgarh Talim Kendra is there. Kantipur College of Medical Science. These are the organizations that we have worked out to provide you internship and then paid job, depending on how efficient you become after the exam, after the completion of the course. By the way, we'll take some tests also. Depending on that test score, we'll place you according to the priority of the organization level. So that is there. I want to tell you that this is very important, course, and it has got very good potential. So you think over this, consult with your parents, with your well-wisher, and see whether it fits to your requirement or not. If it fits, then I think we are one of the organizations who can deliver you the right training. So just think over there. And please, go through our website and register for upcoming events, wherein you will get a lot of other insights also detailing, because today is a general session. So we will go to specific sessions, and we are paid workshops coming out with a very affordable fee of around 500 NPR for 2 hours or 3 hours courses. So please check on that. We'll inform you about that in your email or WhatsApp or other platforms about that. So I think I'm done. I would like to thank everyone for joining this session and making it very fruitful. So I will again hand over to Bipinji to take the question that was there in the chat. Yeah, you can go ahead.
But for me, that question is not visible. So
okay, fine. So I think so what shall I do? Shall I read it out for you?
Yes.
I'm a social media manager handling projects for foreign clients, but payment for management is so low. So I want to upskill. I want to learn all about Facebook ads. I don't know about building a website, but I want to learn handling the website, SEO, SEM, GMB. Where can I contact for insight or profession? This is the question.
So they have to contact you, and he can enroll for the course, and we can teach.
Yeah, fine. I think that is right.
Yes, see these things now, SEO, social media. If you are going with one thing, this is good to start your career. But if you want to improve your position in an industry, or you want to improve your salary, then slowly you should know other things also. So as I told, all things are interconnected. So you already getting lots of conversion from social media. So obviously you have the knowledge of digital marketing. So for you, it's very easy to learn SEO, Google AdWords, Google My Business. So what you can do, you can help your client business or your own business to get audience who are spending time on Google Organic, Google My Business, and Google AdWords. So this way you can help them, and you can ask for increment, because everything in digital marketing depend upon knowledge. So if you have a more knowledge, sure you will get from the market, not from one client, so from another client. But there is no limit in digital marketing. My friends are working in a company, they are earning like a 15 lakh package, 20 lakh package. But yes, they have a knowledge of multiple things, not only a specific domain. They know search engine optimization, they know social media, they know search engine marketing. So these single domain is good you can earn up to a specific level, but you want to like go globally, expand yourself, then you should know other things also. Let's say example, if one client is coming as a freelancer, so he, especially as a freelancer, you should know everything. Suppose if one client is coming, he want everything, complete digital marketing. So you will say, sorry, sir, I will provide only as social media. I cannot provide SEO and Google AdWords. So the client will go with someone else who is providing everything. Otherwise, you work in a company, in an agency that only giving you social media work. Like that. In company also is limited. So if you know other things, you can expand your salary.
Right. As Pankaj is, Vipin has pointed out very clearly, his experience, he has shared his experience. So what I feel is like, yeah, it's a multi-domain thing is very, means like very, very useful, because once you catch up a client with one thing, then you can go to other things. If he flies away, then means like he will contact other, he will develop relationship with other people.
Yes, yes, yes.
So,
and the best thing is, if you know anyone, either you know SEO, so that other things are easy for you. If you know social media, other two things are easy for you, because all are similar. Only platform is different. So it's not very hard if you know any single thing. So it's for you, like it's a very small work. In 2-3 hours, you can understand everything.
Right, right. Yeah, and the thing is that they have to give, you have to give time also. Dedicate yourself. Interest should be there. Practice is very important. So that is where means like.
So there is where like we have a real-time project. As I showed you, like what to Kanakupillai, they are just two of our clients. We have multiple clients, and we will give, we will allow you to work on a real-time projects. So at least there you can see how the Google AdWords is working in real time, not in dummy project like other institute. So you can work here, you can help us with to achieve good result for our clients.
Right. And Pankaj, sorry, Bipin, means like when I talk with a lot of employers, means I had phone calls from a lot of employers who are asking for professionals. And when I try to get the professional, I don't get the professionals. There are people who are, means like they have the knowledge, but they can't execute the work. Means when I tell them, okay, do you have social media skills? They say, yeah, I know about social media marketing. And I said, can you make means like Google, Facebook ad and promote my product? Then they say, no, I need to take. So that is where they don't have that skills, means, which is going to give you the benefit. So this is where we will stand out, I think. Means our courses will help you to do exactly that, as Bipin has pointed out. So I think we are already 15 minutes more than our time. So means like anybody else, do you have any questions? You can always unmute the mic and then get back to use the chart. If no questions are there, then I think we'll end the session. Vishwa Seshtaji has opened up. Yeah.
Yes, sir. It's a very fruitful information I collect. But I think how we can execute the marketing. So I mean, if you can manage some internship, or let's say voluntarily, can we join in your marketing system?
Yeah, means like if you have the skills, first we'll take a test, and then if you have the skills, then certainly there is no issue of providing internship. We can always provide you. That's what I feel about NMSPL. About MDA, Vipin can put more light.
Yes, so see, there is a process for everything. So first you have to enroll for the course, and in course also it's not like a theoretical course. It's a you can say 80% practical, 20% theory. So you will be doing both things together. You are learning also, and you will be practicing also everything in a real time. Then after course will finish, we'll take a test, and the test will be like whatever we have teach you. Nothing will come from outside. So based upon the result, if you are good, Sure, we will take you as an internship, and based upon your performance in internship, either we will hire you or we will help you to get hired by some other company.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, and then there is another question from Ujjwalji. WhatsApp number of institute? Okay, so I'll send it 98414021798417.
See here, I don't know about much about Nepal, but here in India, BTech, like engineering students or graduate students, they are doing this. They have learned, they have taken the course, online course, and they are earning online. So this is a good opportunity to learn new thing, because this is a new thing in market, and this will be continue for coming 30-40 years. It will be in a boom.
Right.
Like at starting, if you remember, there was a craze for IT jobs. So people are finding, like NIT was there, people are doing small diploma courses and they are getting jobs. Now those booms has gone and new boom has started in digital marketing. So if you have a knowledge, company will find you and take you. If you don't have knowledge, then people will face problem. That is for any field.
Yeah, that's right. That's what is the issue over here in Nepal and India also. I think means a lot of people have degree, BSc and sort of thing, BA, BBS, you name whatever it may be. But then when you ask them, okay, can you do this thing? No, they don't have that skills. So there is this type of skill will add up and means like give them the skills that will enable them to earn means immediately. So that is there. And I talked with a lot of organizations. All are saying means like they have a lot of internship opportunities, but people should be able to do minimum this things. They can do this, can create content, they can do promotion, they can run ads. So that is not there. So that.
Yes, even though if you open an intern sala, if your students you are listening, you go and open intern sala, there are lots of internship opportunity only on this SEO or digital marketing, and they are at beginning level, they are ready to pay 5K, 8K, 10K only for interns. So if you have a knowledge, you can apply there, and from home you can earn. So this is work from home job, and especially these times, everyone looking for that knowledge.
Yeah, that's right. So okay, I think we have already taken all the questions. So means like in case if anybody has time and want to learn more, they can always visit our institute also. You can just type in means like Nikhil Multi-Service Private Limited in Google. There is a location map available, contact number, everything is there. So you can visit our institute, see how the institute is, and then decide. We can talk in detail, one-to-one counseling we can do, and show you how you can do things. Means like, and one point I want to reinforce is that means, as Bipin has said clearly, because this is this digital marketing is industry 4 standard. Industry 4 standard means like industry 4 standard is the standard of future. So digital marketing jobs are complying with industry 4 standard, which is going to stay for a long time, 30 years, 40 years. As you have seen, marketing started when people started trading. So it's thousands, hundreds and thousands of years back. So this is also a marketing thing. Only it has changed the form from traditional to digital. So till the business is going to operate, digital marketing will be there. So you can see the future. Okay, so it's not like something, some technical skill, Java and other thing, which will again update it after some updates will be there, but then it is change. It is not going to change. So from that perspective, you can see what is the future, how much it will be beneficial for the future. Do you need to change back to other field? No, you don't have to. If you enter over here and do the right things, spend time and learn, then it's the learning process will be always going on, but then it will be a long-term thing. You don't have to switch your career because the thing has got obsolete. So it's not going to stay like that. And then we will see means for our student, what I was thinking about relearning also means like not only learning, relearning. Relearning means like once you have taken the course, you have some issues later on, you want to update on some things, then we can help you on that also means like. So that we are working on, see how we move on. All being said, I want to thank you everybody for this very long session. So to say, we're already 22 minutes more than our scheduled time, but then it was interesting because you guys stayed over here. So thank you for that, and let us be in connection with each other, and then see. And we'll be very happy to be your partner in realizing your dream, achieving your dreams. Okay, so any questions, you can always get back to Basudevji or me or Pankaj, whoever is there. We'll try to answer you to your satisfaction as much as possible. That being said, I don't want to say that you have to take course from us. We'll always answer you. If you have any question regarding the digital marketing, you can always put back, and we'll do our best to answer it. So having said that, I want to end the session unless Bipin has something. Bipin?
Yes. No, it's everything fine. Like already we have told the advantage and everything. And see, like we are also like we are in starting level, we have also taken the course, and we had work also 4 or 5 years in this industry. Then we started our own thing. So this is how you can learn from our journey. You can implement same. If you are already working, you can take the course, learn few time, start your own business. Or if your father is running a business, friend is running a business, you can help them to get more revenue from the business. See, in the market, everyone what they are looking to generate more business, and you are the guys or digital marketer that can help to get more business. So you can understand what is your demand. Another benefit, it like if a SEO person or digital marketer working in a company, so he will directly speak with the CEO of the company or higher hierarchy of the company. So the level of standard and respect he will get in a company, that is totally different. But again, if he's delivering the work, if he's not delivering, that is different case. So this is a field, if you are delivering in a very small amount of time, you can change your career, you can start earning so much of amount, lots of scope is there. So this is what, rest is up to you. You guys can decide based upon what you want to achieve in your career.
Okay, thank you, Bipinji. So we will end up the session today here. So namaskar to everybody, and for your future. Okay, let's be connected. So I'll end the session, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.